In this video, I'll guide you through how to access your American Express account. Whether you want to check your balance, review recent transactions, or manage your card, accessing your account online is quick and easy. Let's get started right away. First things first, you'll need to head over to the official American Express website. You can do this by opening a web browser on your computer, or if you're on the go, you can simply launch the American Express mobile app on your smartphone. Both methods will get you to the same place, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're on the website or inside the app, look for the Login button. On the website, you'll usually find it at the top right corner. In the app, it should be prominently displayed on the main screen. Go ahead and click or tap on Login to proceed. Now, it's time to enter your credentials. You'll need your user ID and password that you set up when you registered for your American Express account. Carefully type in this information, making sure everything is correct to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your user ID or password, there are recovery options available right on the login page, so don't worry. After entering your login details, you might be prompted to complete a security verification step. This is a common practice to ensure your account's safety. You may receive a one-time code sent to your registered phone number or email address. Simply enter this code in the space provided to verify your identity. Once you've successfully completed the security check, you'll be taken straight to your American Express account dashboard. Here, you'll have a clear overview of your balance, as well as a detailed list of your transactions. This is where you can manage your card settings and explore all the features American Express offers to its users. Before we wrap up, let's cover a few important reminders. Always make sure you're using the official American Express website or mobile app to access your account. This ensures that your personal information stays secure. Additionally, never share your login details with anyone to protect your account from unauthorized access. Lastly, it's a good practice to use a secure internet connection whenever you're accessing sensitive information online. And that's it. That's how you access your American Express account with ease. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.